What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, I've got my review of Axe Black Body Wash. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap the notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends, like I be on that kryptonite, salute. First off, I gotta start with a bit of a confession. Do you ever prejudge a product due to the marketing, who you see wearing it, who they seem to be aiming it towards, and the fact that it becomes over popular? Well, I did that with the Axe line. When they first came out, they did so much marketing that to me came off as bro heavy, and that's who they were marketing to. So I never really gave their products a chance. That's until last year, when I first started using their body washes. Now, I first started off with the Dark Temptation, and it easily became one of my favorites. Boy, I have to tell you, I was wrong. The Axe body washes get you very clean, smell good at a great price. I'll never prejudge a brand again. And I've been giving Axe a fair shake ever since. So that's how we got to today's video. I've got another review of an Axe body wash, this time Axe Black, Frozen Pear, and Cedarwood. I'm gonna break it down in several different categories, tell you what I like about it, and whether you should pick up some for yourself. And of course, I'm gonna have a link in the description if you wanna pick up a bottle for yourself. So without further ado, let's get into my review of Axe Black Body Wash. Now, if you're anything like me, you're a big fan of body washes. I just prefer them over bar soap. For one, bar soaps tend to leave you a little drier, and they don't have as wide a range of fragrances as body washes do. That's why you'll see me often telling you guys about body washes on this channel. So now that we got out the way why you should be using body washes, let's get into this Axe Black. Now, before we get into what I think, let's see what the manufacturer Axe has to say about their product. They say it's a relaxing fragrance experience for the body and the mind. They say it's a refined and subtle fragrance that combines notes of bergamot, rosemary, and cedarwood, saying that it allows you to make an impression without going over the top. We've heard what Axe has to say. Let's get into my breakdown. Now, this Axe Black Frozen Pear and Cedarwood retails for around $7. Now, when I'm reviewing a body wash, there's 5 categories I judge them by. 1, how well does it lather up? 2, how clean does it get you? 3, how easily does it rinse off? 4, what does the scent smell like? And 5, how moisturized does it leave your skin feeling? Now, in the first category, how well does it lather up? I'm gonna tell you this one lathers up great. There's no problem getting a nice full lather that goes all over your body. So when it comes to lathering up, on a scale of 1 to 10 salutes, I'm gonna give it 9.8 salutes. Now let's get into how clean it gets you. And here's why I tell you Axe does a fantastic job. I'm talking about all the body washes I've used. And this Frozen Pear and Cedarwood is no different. When you use this one, after you're done, you feel fully clean. This is where this body wash really shines. To me, out of all the body washes I use, this one probably leaves me feeling the cleanest of them all. So on a scale of 1 to 10, Axe Black gets 10 salutes for cleaning. Now let's move into how well does it rinse off. No problems here as well. Rinses off clean, rinses off easily, doesn't leave any residue. So I'm gonna give it about 9.75 salutes in the rinse category. If you're digging this review, I've got tons of other body wash reviews I've done, such as Dove Men Plus Care, Old Spice, Everyman Jack. I'll leave a link in the description to these videos if you wanna check them out. Now let's get into the scent. And I think this is another strong point for this Axe Black. Now it's called Frozen Pear and Cedarwood. And like I said earlier, it's a mix of rosemary, cedarwood, and bergamot. Now my overall impression when you smell it, to me, the dominant scent is a nice woody scent with a nice fruitiness underneath. It's subtle, it's masculine, and a great point for it, it lasts all day. At the end of the day, you still can smell it on you. And how I like to use this one, on places, say I'm going to work or somewhere else where I really can't wear a cologne, it might come off too strong, I like to use this one instead. It's subtle, but when someone gets close, they can smell it on you. And at the end of the day, you still can smell it. Lasts all day long, nice masculine with a little bit of hint underneath of fruit, great scent. I'm gonna give that 9.9 on a salute scale. And last but not least, the last category we need to talk about is moisturizing. And once again, Axe knocks it out of the park. After using this one, my skin feels smooth, it feels soft, not dry at all. And that's one of the key reasons you want to use a body wash instead of a bar soap. I can't tell you how many times bar soaps, it just makes you feel dry, feel like you got to put a lot of lotion on afterwards. Not with this Axe Black. Does a fantastic job of moisturizing your skin. Once again, I'm going to give it a 9.9. So to sum it all up, obviously, I'm a big fan of this body wash. It's fantastic. Cleans you well, smells great, moisturizes your skin, no complaints at all. I gotta give it up to Axe. I shouldn't have prejudged them. On a scale of 1 to 10, putting it all together, I'm gonna give this Axe Black body wash 9.8. Salutes. Okay, so there you have it. My review of Axe Black body wash, frozen pear, and cedar wood. Make sure you let me know in the comment section if you're a fan of Axe body washes, and if so, what's your favorite scent? As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.